Hello, what is up people? So welcome to another vlog. So this will be my background for the starting of every vlog, because I guess there's no better place to start a vlog than the garden of my house. So today's vlog, it was actually shot yesterday. I had gone out with mom to the market to buy some stuff, and when we came back home I was like कि गाड़ी में तेल भरवा लाते हैं क्योंकि कर्फ्यू है, लॉकडाउन है, so at least the car should have fuel. So I went to the pump, I got fuel filled in the car. When I started the car, it just won't start and I was shocked. I was like कि भाई ये क्या हो गया है कि कार स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही है. I tried it 2-3 more times but it just wasn't ready to start. So I called up mom and dad. I said कि भाई आ जाओ, गाड़ी नहीं स्टार्ट हो रही है. By the time they came, everybody at the pump was like कि भाई क्या हो गया, हम ठीक कर देते हैं, हम स्टार्ट कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे. Sorry for the noise because this is a main road right here and there's a lot of traffic. So yeah, so everybody came, they tried स्टार्ट हो जाए. I was like कि नहीं, कंपनी जाएगी, वो ठीक करके देंगे. So tow truck came, we got the car on the flatbed, it went, and it was just something so funny because it was out of the blue. I had a plan to shoot some other video which you will see this coming week, but this is just something that happened. So it is a very raw vlog because I didn't have my camera with me. It is shot on my phone. So from now on I will make sure that I have my camera with me 24/7 क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ में कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. So here we are. I came to the pump to fill up fuel in our Honda Civic and it conked off and it's not starting again. So here we are, the tow truck has arrived. My dad and Chachu are here and we're getting it towed. अब वो चेक कर रही है कि विंच लगा के टो कहाँ से होगी. उस पर चढ़ नहीं सकती क्योंकि ये स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही है. देखो, विंच लगा के ऊपर खींचेंगे, वो भी दिखाएंगे. Filled this up but cannot drive it. And that is Papa and that is Chacha ji waiting. There's the Laura right there and that is Chacha ji's bike. Vlog on that soon too. The tow truck guy doesn't know how to tow it because he cannot find the tow hook. So now we're all on Google searching how to tow a Honda Civic and these guys don't know shit. But still, we have to do something. I'll show you everybody searching on their phone how to tow a Honda Civic. It's so funny. There is Dad. He's trying to search how to tow a Honda Civic. That's Chachu. He's trying to search how to tow a Honda Civic. That's the towing guy who should know how to tow a Honda Civic but still doesn't know how to tow one. And I'm here sitting in the car making a funny ass video. And that's the tow truck. This car, which has done only 3,300 kilometers and it's 1 year old and has conked off. Oh, that's the driver of the tow truck though. Now everybody is just discussing कि ओ ऐसे करना चाहिए कि ऐसे करना चाहिए कि वैसे कि ऐसे. And that's the guy who is trying to find the tow hook. It is so funny. Everybody is standing here giving their opinions and advices on how to get this towed onto there.
6 महीने में 5 बारी टोक रहा हूँ।
The beast to the rescue. Thank God for roadside assistance. I gave them one call and they were so prompt. They contacted the agency which was open in Chandigarh after 6. That was Harmony Honda. Every other agency was shut because of the curfew. They took our car in as an emergency situation so we could get it fixed as soon as possible. And a big shout out to Harmony Honda for that. इधर आ जाएगी फिट भैया गाड़ी उतर के नहीं इधर उतर के So this is the next day. We're here at Honda again. Yesterday our Civic broke down and we got it towed here. This is Harmony Honda. So we're here and we'll go take a look and ask them what actually went wrong with the car. So let's see. We'll go inside and I'll show you around. So here was the car it's standing and they say it's probably a fuel filter fault. The car had been recalled last year for the replacement, but because of the lockdown we couldn't send the car in. So they'll check the fuel pump, they'll change it and then they'll let us know what the problem is. If it gets resolved just by changing the fuel pump, perfect. Otherwise we'll have to see what other thing is wrong with the car. So this was Harmony Honda here. We're at the service workshop and they were great. They helped, they were prompt, they knew which car, which person, what to do, so that was good. And it is 34 degrees out and it's very, very hot. So now I'm heading home and that was the update on the Civic and they said they'll give it back to us soon. So this was the last tow that we did from the same petrol pump. This is Chacha Ji's Royal Enfield Himalayan, which broke down after just I guess a month or two. There was some problem with the bike. Chacha Ji went to fill fuel. He tried to start it again and it conked off just like this Civic did. So this was my second tow, which I did this past year. And this was this February when my Mercedes broke down in Sector 9. I was with my friend Sartaj, who helped a lot to find this tow truck driver and get it towed home. There was some problem in the ECU and we just couldn't get it to move. So shout out to Sartaj for helping me get this car back home from Sector 9. This year I've towed 5 vehicles. It is so, I don't know what to say, but it's just been 6 months and I've gotten 5 vehicles towed. So one was the Civic, which this vlog is based on. One was Chacha Ji's motorcycle, which I just showed you guys. One was my Mercedes, which I again showed you. And there were 2 more times which I cannot tell on camera, but they were crazy. I don't know what it is with me and cars breaking down, but there is some connection. I don't know what it is. Pata nahi. Anyways, this was today's vlog. If you liked it, hit the like button, share and subscribe, and I'll try and show you more random content like this, which is not planned. And next time I'll carry my camera with me 24/7, so that I can shoot whatever happens, because कभी कुछ भी हो सकता है. God has plans for you. We had gone to buy vegetables, but I ended up towing another vehicle. Anyways, hope you liked today's vlog.